2025 Xtool Prodigy versus Xtool Compass versus Compass Master. Which diagnostic scanner is really worth it? All right, picture this. You're standing in your workshop. A modern vehicle rolls in with multiple warning lights, advanced ECUs, secure gateways, and programming requirements that older tools simply cannot handle. Now the big question hits you hard. Which Xtool flagship scanner actually deserves your money in 2025? The Prodigy, the Compass, or the Compass Master? Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your trusted home for real-world automobile diagnostics and programming tools, explained in a way that actually makes sense. Today, we are breaking down the real differences between the Xtool Prodigy, Xtool Compass, and Xtool Compass Master, not just on paper, but in how they truly matter for technicians, workshop owners, and serious learners. And yes, one of these tools quietly offers more value than most people realize, so make sure you stick around till the very end for a detail many sellers conveniently skip. Quick heads up before we dive in. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes. Everything you hear is meant to guide technicians, learners, and enthusiasts. All visuals and references fall under fair use for review and education, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer guidelines and local laws while working on vehicles. Also, the exact tools I personally use and trust are linked in the description through affiliate links. If you choose to support Baabji Motors through those links, it helps the channel grow at no extra cost to you, and I genuinely appreciate it. Now let me ask you something important, and I really want you to think about this. When buying a professional diagnostic scanner, what matters more to you? Hardware power, advanced programming protocols, or long-term update value? Because depending on your answer, your ideal choice today may surprise you. Let's start with the foundation, the hardware, because this sets the tone for everything else. The Xtool Prodigy is built like a true flagship. It comes with a large 13.3-inch full high-definition display that gives you more screen space for topology maps, live data, and ADAS calibration steps. Once you use a screen this big, going back feels like reading fault codes through a keyhole. The Prodigy also packs 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage, which means smoother multitasking and plenty of space for vehicle data, reports, and updates. Now the Xtool Compass and Compass Master share the same physical hardware design. Both use a 10.1-inch high-resolution display, which is still sharp and professional, just more compact. Storage on both is 8 GB of RAM paired with 128 GB of internal memory. For most workshops, this is more than enough, but compared to Prodigy, you're getting half the storage space. All three scanners run on Android 10 and use the same powerful octa-core processor, combining high-performance cores with efficiency cores. In daily use, that means menu navigation, vehicle scans, and coding tasks feel fast and responsive across all three. There is no lag advantage exclusive to one model here. Battery life is another silent hero in workshop tools. The Prodigy clearly leads with a much larger battery capacity, allowing longer unplugged usage during programming or ADAS calibration sessions. The Compass and Compass Master use a smaller battery, which is still reliable, but you may find yourself reaching for the charger sooner on busy days. The Prodigy also includes a charging base, a small detail that actually feels premium when you are juggling multiple jobs. Camera quality also differs. The Prodigy features a higher resolution rear camera, which can be useful for documentation, VIN captures, and report sharing. The Compass models include a decent camera, but it is clearly more basic. Now let's talk connectivity and protocols, because this is where serious technicians start paying attention. All three scanners support modern communication standards like an FD, DoIP, and FCA secure gateway access. This means you are covered for most modern vehicles without needing extra hardware. However, here is a major dividing line. The Xtool Prodigy and Xtool Compass Master both support the SAE J2534 protocol. This is critical if you plan to do advanced OEM-level programming using manufacturer software on a PC. If you work with ECU flashing, dealer-level programming, or pass-through applications, this feature alone can justify your purchase. The standard Xtool Compass does not support the SAE J2534 protocol. That does not make it a bad tool, but it does define its ceiling. Think of it like having a powerful car without sport mode enabled. It still drives great, just not at the absolute limit. Now let's move into diagnostics and software functions, because this is where all three scanners shine. All of them offer full OE-level diagnostics across all systems. You get topology mapping, which visually shows module communication and faults, making troubleshooting faster and more intuitive. Full OBD functions are included, along with thousands of bidirectional controls, allowing you to actively test components instead of guessing. Offline programming, ECU online programming, online and offline coding, ECU configuration, and key programming are all supported across the lineup. ADAS calibration, pre-scan and post-scan reporting, advanced data graphing, and professional report sharing are also standard. In real-world terms, this means diagnostics and programming capability are essentially the same across Prodigy, Compass, and Compass Master. Where they differ slightly is in service functions. The Compass offers slightly fewer hot service functions compared to Prodigy and Compass Master. While this difference may not matter to beginners, experienced technicians who handle diverse vehicles daily will appreciate the broader coverage in the higher models. All three scanners include 3 years of free software updates and support more than 20 languages. They also include access to a professional maintenance and repair database for 1 year, with optional renewal later. So let's simplify everything clearly Baabji Motors style. The Xtool Compass and Compass Master share identical hardware. The Prodigy stands out with a larger screen, bigger battery, more storage, better camera, and a charging base. Functionally, the Prodigy and Compass Master are equals, especially because both support the SAE J2534 protocol. The standard Compass lacks that protocol and has slightly fewer service functions, but still delivers full diagnostic and programming power for most users. And here's the funny part. Many technicians buy the Compass thinking they save money, then later realize they need pass-through programming and end up upgrading anyway. It is like buying safety shoes and later realizing you actually work on construction sites every day. Now let's answer the question I asked earlier. Which scanner truly makes the most sense? If you want the most complete, future-ready solution with premium hardware and no compromises, the Xtool Prodigy is the clear winner. If you want the same powerful software capabilities and pass-through support in a more compact form, the Compass Master is the smartest value choice. And if your work focuses mainly on diagnostics, service resets, and standard programming without pass-through needs, the Xtool Compass still delivers strong professional performance. My honest opinion? In 2025, investing in pass-through capability is not optional anymore. Vehicles are only getting more locked down, not less. That is why, at Baabji Motors, I personally lean toward the Prodigy or Compass Master depending on budget and workspace needs. Here's a quick tip before we wrap up. Always think about the jobs you want to do next year, not just the cars sitting in your workshop today. The right tools should grow with your skills, not limit them. If this breakdown helped you understand the real differences, I would love to hear your experience. Drop your thoughts, questions, or even disagreements in the comments. If you related to this comparison and want more honest tool breakdowns, show your support by pushing this video toward 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. And consider subscribing to Baabji Motors so you never miss practical diagnostic content. Also, if you want to support the channel directly, check out the affiliate links in the description for the exact tools discussed, and consider joining the channel membership. Your support genuinely keeps this content coming. Thanks for watching till the very end. Keep learning, keep upgrading your skills, and, as always, happy diagnosing.